Welcome to my accessories and mods for my R5S e-bike part 4, lights. So the bike originally came with this headlight here. And you can control it with the switch right here. It also came with this seat tail light. The switch is underneath. But I wanted to be more visible at night, so I added more lights, such as these round white lights that are attached to the front fork. This red tail light that attaches to my saddlebag. And another red tail light that I actually installed downwards on the rear fork so that it gives it a nice red glow on the bottom. I've installed these slim red tail lights on the frame and rear fork of the bike. And these lights have different functions, features such as dim, flashing. Overkill, you might think? Yeah, well, maybe. But I do like my lights.